Hi everyone, my name's Lee, and today I'm going to talk to you about a common issue that comes up on the service desk here at McNamara. So the scenario is that you're used to using Outlook as your default application for sending and receiving emails. However, you've been browsing on our website today, you've come across an email address that you want to send an email to, clicked on the address, and a different application has opened, in this case the Windows Mail app. It simply means that currently Outlook is not set as the default application for emails, so we need to change this. To do so, we can click on Start on the bottom left hand side of our taskbar. Once the Start menu appears, simply type the word Default, and the best match will be Default Apps. If you click on this option, the Default Apps settings window will appear, and at the top, underneath Email, we have our choice of application, which we want to be default. Currently, Mail is selected. If I click on this option, I get different applications that I can use instead, so I'm going to choose Outlook. By doing so, I've made the change. Outlook is now the default application for opening email links. I can now close this window. I can close the Windows Mail app that previously opened before, and I can re-click on this email address. Now Outlook appears, and I'm ready to choose my subject and compose my email message. And that's it. You've now made sure that Outlook is the default application for emails. You can now use Outlook as normal and enjoy the Outlook experience. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps.